wasn't that nice of you? Thank you. Thank you. I do too. I do too. I damn sure do. Damn sure do. Damn sure do. It's going good.
Crazy how she seems like she's got a cold this morning. Runny nose. She doesn't look too well. Eyes are a little swollen. Guess it's time to take her meds. But, it sounds like that's what she's doing, going in her little box. But what good is the lockbox if you keep the keys hanging out of the box? And several people have said it, and I also noticed it. It seems like when she takes her Suboxone, and I've seen her do it many times, it just seems like she takes it like any other meds. I don't know, does it look like to anyone else that she puts it under her tongue and lets it dissolve? Because that's the way it's supposed to be taken. It just looks like she throws it in her mouth and takes a drink of something. And several people have said that in the comments, that they think that's what she's doing too. I don't know. But watch, in about an hour, she's going to go live again. And, she's dancing. She's fine. No runny nose. No nothing. So I'm wondering if she's taking the meds the way she's supposed to. Because if you take them incorrectly, if you don't take them the way you're supposed to, they don't work the way they're supposed to.
She's gonna get you, Leia. She's tired of putting up with it. I think I might be getting a little cold. I think I might be. That I do. Alright, shit, my blue robe. Hold on, I'll get you guys out right now. Oh shit. Let's try that. Get out, come on, you slip it. You understand English? Yeah. Shut up, Leia. You're gonna wake Sissy up. Good morning, hon. Thank you, one blessed Mimi. Alright, here we go. Come on, Leia, I gotta carry you. Damn, today feels like Sunday. Good morning, good morning. Alright, let me get a sip of my coffee real quick. Shh! You're gonna wake up Sissy. I see a piece of hair. Yeah, all right, come on. Now I felt it. Hey, come on. We're going outside. Come here, you little turtle. Say good morning. Oh. You're going outside. Pride beat us. Pride beat us. Beat us to the door. Oh, there's one of my nails that fell off. Careful, you can get hurt, baby. Oh gosh, I'm gonna open this door and it's gonna be cold as fuck. Go, gotta go. Oh, they tear these toys up, man. Holy schmoly. It's like, oh my goodness. Boy, oh boy. It really is fucking cold, bro. What's up, Leia? Cold for you, honey? Is it cold for you? What? I'm not picking you up. But I am gonna sit on the step. Oh my god. You have a prego potty. Stop. Right this second. No, what are you doing? Whatever, just do whatever you want. You're close to me. Oh, you fuck. You are close to me. Hey! I ain't from Indiana. I am not from Indiana, so do not get that twisted, please. I'd rather be back in Logansport. There ain't nothing here in Peru. At all. It's fucking dead as fuck. I call them ducks. I call them ducks here in Indiana. Yeah. Kokomo is not a place I would live. It's too city. Which I can handle city. It's my... That was an officer. It's my children. You know what I mean? Not that they're bad children. I just left Logansport. I was in Logansport for a whole year. Logan Square, that's where I was. For a whole year. Beautiful apartment too, at that. So with the city, meaning because my children being a single mom, raising 2 girls, or even 2 boys, it's probably a little too much for them. They're used to it being so slow and so quiet, like fucking Peru. But anyway, it's a small town, a small motherfucking town. Quiet. We all, you know, no judgment here. We all do recover, but where I'm at, there definitely is a lot of tweaks around here. That's for damn sure. But again, we do recover. I don't treat them any different than I would somebody that isn't, you know. So, what, you from Peru? I mean, I know you're in Kokomo, but you seem to know a lot. Sure am. Again, not from Peru or Indiana at that. New York. I only came here because of military reasons. That would be why. The first time I've ever stepped foot in Indiana. That was a year and a half after the Twin Towers went down. And my mom and stepdad decided to move here because his mom and dad were stationed on base. So yeah, we were on base for quite some time. Then we lost everybody. But I actually feel I shouldn't have to explain my life to people. Yeah, that's not what TikTok's for. It's explaining your life. It's getting to know somebody. But, you say one thing and motherfucker takes that shit and makes it look like a whole nother fucking thing. Hey! I can't wait till Trump hits Logansport. I can't wait till Trump hits Logansport. Yeah, exactly. Get to know somebody. There's a lot of illegals in Logansport. They're overpopulated, that's for sure. But Logansport, there is a lot more to do. There really is. I was walking, oh man, it was, I don't know, Peru. You just gotta know Peru to know. Oh, lots. You know, Sherry, there is lots. Lots. Yeah. There is lots. Lots. I'd say there is at least over 500. At least. No, hang outside for a little bit. Sissy's sleeping. 11 more days till fucking court, baby. Suck that shit up. Hey! No. Oh, he ain't playing. He's only been in office 4 days. And look at him. Look at him. Already, look, he stuck to his promises. Here where I'm at, there is literally only one shelter. And Sean and some other lady in the chat, you guys should know since you're around this area, there's one shelter. The other shelter there is, and it is in Kokomo, but you cannot go in there if you are on a MAP program at all, because a lot of people from jail or prison, whatever, go to that shelter on house arrest. So they do not let you be on any kind of medication that is a substance or any sort like that. So they will not let you go there. So there is only one shelter for people that are on a MAP program. I know, I'm home. You're homeless. Why are you homeless, girl? Where are you at? Where'd you say you are? Oh, never mind, I forgot. Logansport, Kokomo. Stop. Good morning. Oh, girl. You could DM me if you'd like. If you'd like. Get that shit. Easy with her, little. Yeah, we did need Trump bad. Why you think I was chasing that damn train? I was telling them all, even the electrical guys. Make sure you vote Trump. I was running the train, not running the train, running after the train, screaming, Trump! Trump! Good morning. My fucking coffee's probably cold now. No, I don't know a lot of people from here. I really don't. I stay to myself. I had a friend with benefits. His name was Gustavio. He'll be back in Mexico soon, though. But that was in Logansport. I know Joe Marshall. He's from New Jersey, so I don't know if he may have went back to New Jersey. Yeah, I don't know a lot of people. Yeah. But my hands would be full because I got to carry the dog down the stairs, the puppy. A lot of people on this app think they know me because of what I post here or there, or, you know. Got some sick motherfuckers in this world. Good morning. But I let people believe what they want. And I try telling them that over and over again. But they still gotta run their cocksucker. If you think I'm Methany, you think I'm Methany. If you think I'm Bethany, you think I'm Bethany. Okay? But Methany or Bethany caught your attention. Yeah, right, Pride? Tell, girl. Oh, you talking to me? Good morning. Yucky. Yeah, you're getting cold. Come on. Go ahead. Go ahead, bring the shoe up. Oh. I guess you want me to then. Well, we'll have to do it this way. Oh. Go get it, Pride. Hit that shoe. Good girl. Good girl. That's my baby. Hold on. I have to do everything. It's okay. I got you, baby. Oops. Good morning. You friggin' hairball. Oh, it smells friggin' like laundry soap in here. Oh, it smells so good. Ow. Get that shoe. Go ahead, tear it up. You know you're about to. Oh, I see a lot of people don't go live anymore because of people like people. But I'll be damned, I'm one of them. That's their intention, is to push me off the app. Or to make me fall back. Or to make a mother just lose her children. Or just see a person fail. And it's not going to happen. Ever. I promise. What's up, Karen? Where have you been? I've been on my other page. You need to, it's TikTok Most Wanted. You better follow it now, Karen. Karen, now. Karen. That's what's up, Sean. That is what's up, girl. I can go on the housing in a year. Well, a little less than a year now. Because I've been here, yeah, exactly. You know how many times DCS has been here? Because motherfuckers like y'all want to call. But anyway, yeah, it's going to be 4 months I've been here. So yeah, it's going to be a little less than a year. And then, yeah, so I'll be here a year. The fuck is this in my coffee? Oh, I didn't blend all the good in there. You know, the good coffee. I didn't blend it all. She'll be alright. She'll be alright. She just is a little thirsty. Hey! How's that water? Yeah, how's that water? You like it? Actually, that's what we're about to do. See, you guys, messing with the dogs. I mean, it wasn't cold. Oh, it's cold here. It's pretty cold. I do need to warm it up. All right. Now. It's gotta be freaking face kicking me in my back. What is going on here? Listen, what I'm gonna have to do with her is a little combo with her and let her know she needs to respect her elders. She's her age, I'm my age, so I'm older. So she needs to respect me and my back. It does, but she sleeps wild, you guys. She sleeps wild. She sleeps. And then when you got the puppy, and then, you know, Damn. But I'm gonna tough this out.
Keeps telling the dogs to be quiet so they don't wake the kid up, but then later on she's blasting music, dancing, screaming. She's feeling better in a little bit and not worried about waking the kid up then.
Hold up, now I know I ain't motherfucking seeing my kids' profile picture up on your fucking shit, bro. I need more light. Hold up. Screenshot that shit right motherfucking there. Damn. What the fuck's your name, bro? Yo. I can't even say her name. It's TONYASLAUGHTER6. What the fuck you doing with me and my kids' profile on your picture, bro? She didn't comment, but you know, it's got the circle and then like their name and then it says invite. They got my motherfucking kid's profile picture. Hold up. What? That's her. Oh my god! It is. You guys, I'm blind. Now look, I'm gonna show you something real quick. I'm so sorry. I want to show you though, just so you see. Oh my god, that's wild. Alright, I'm about to show you real quick, just so you see. Oh my god! Oh, I'm so sorry. Wow, that is wild. Alright, I'm going to show you right now, for real, just so you can see, sweetheart. Oh my goodness, that is crazy. Bro, what the fuck? That's crazy. I'm sorry though. Damn, they need to give I'm sorry though. Damn, they need to give me my glasses.
Now she thinks someone's got a picture of her and her kids and they're trolling her and it's not even her picture.
Fuck you. Come on! Now I'm stuck on a green screen. No, I don't want sub only. What the fuck? I was trying to show you, but you see what it's doing here? All kinds of... You see what it's doing here? All kinds of... Oh, it's too early for this. Just know I am sorry. That really looked like me and my kids for a minute when we were in Bobtail. Absolutely sure did. Stop it! And they expect me to walk around with no glasses? What the fuck is this shit? That poor woman, she's probably like, bitch! What you talking about? That's me and my kids. Good morning. I am sorry though. That looked like me and my girls though. For real. I will manifest that I am truly sorry. It's the resources' fault for not giving me my glasses or telling me I gotta wait another year for my glasses. For my glasses. For my glasses. For my glasses. I gotta wait another year. Oh, okay. Well, it looks like two girls, and I can't see the middle, but it would look like maybe a parent. It only looks like 3 people. I'm so sorry. Now you got dogs laying behind me. Hold on a minute, you guys. Let me change this shirt, because, oh, I feel awful. I feel like shit. Oh, that's... Really. Oh, okay, honey. You have a good day, sweetie Petey. Oh, that's my hair. Well, we're not going back outside yet. Please, not yet. Please, not yet. Please, not yet.
Yeah, she's starting to feel better now. Look, she's getting hot. She's getting ready to get moving now.
Ow! Fuck! Try to turn some music on here real quick, y'all. Y'all know y'all ain't gonna more dance. Hey!
For the last time! No famous people! This isn't over.
So if you took a photo at one of our drive-thru cams, you can be in our big game ad. Old school gentlemen, hydration body wash, vanilla and shake, 24/7 moisture.
Are you using all the old
Oh
spice?
shit. It's 20 here, but inside the house it's probably like 85. The dog's right away. Oh, I am, baby. I am, don't you worry.
I don't wanna fuck you right now. Reverse that car, girl, I'm fucking right now. Climb on the standard rail, hope you can handle it. Beat that kid up when it's down, put it down. Let's make a movie, girl, I do the shooting camera in my left with your hand in my right. Water keep dripping while I lay this pipe. Sex is a drug, well, let's enjoy this high. No time to make love it. You screaming you want it. Girl, you looking lovely. When you ride this pony, we can do this till the morning. So please come and ride me. Love it when I'm deep inside you. You going crazy, yeah. Kiss wherever you want me. I go bananas when I'm in that monkey.
You know you checking everything out.
Keep her up, pump, beat it up like a drum. And you know that I'm nasty, you know that I want it. Struck out you zone, but I'm on it. Just screaming my name and say, Daddy, I'm coming. I'm coming to up a mine in your stomach. So baby, let's go. I wanna feel your body on top of my head. Right now, we ain't gon' waste no time, baby. Like a Harley in the wind, got your back to you really when you ride. Like a rodeo, right? Like a rodeo, baby. I wanna feel your body on top of my head. Right now, we ain't gon' waste no time, baby. Like a Harley in the wind, got your back to you really when you ride.
No, come on. Out here. You guys are way corrupt.
Let me kiss it, baby. Tell me when you really, really miss me, baby. Stacks is a spot and you can bitch it, baby. Gotta take my time when I'm in it.
No, over there. I didn't mean come play with me.
With it, baby. She can do me since y'all kissing, baby.
Oh, great. Now you're all in the way.
I like it.
Oh, shit. This is my shit, bro.
Grips on your ways, front way, back way. You know that I don't play. Streets not safe, but I never run away, even when I'm away. OT, OT, there's never much love when we go OT. I pray to make it back in one piece. I pray. That's why I need a one dance. Got an Hennessy in my hand. One more time before I go. Higher powers taking a hold on me. I need a one dance. Got an Hennessy in my hand. One more time before I go. Higher powers taking a hold on me.
Baby, I like your style.
Strength and guidance, all that I'm wishing for my friends. Nobody makes it from my ends. I had to bust up the silence. You know you gotta stick by me. Soon as you see the text, reply me. I don't wanna spend time fighting. We got no time and that's why I need a one dance. Got a Hennessy in my hand. One more time before I go. Higher powers taking a hold on me. I need a one dance. Got a Hennessy in my hand. One more time before I go. Higher powers taking a hold on me.
I should make me an OF page.
I need to know, where do you wanna go? 'Cause if you're down, I'll take it slow, make you lose control.
Oh shit, I'm about to go to the club now. Fuck it. Pride, you're in my way.
I need a one dance. Got a Hennessy in my hand. One more time before I go. Higher powers taking a hold on me. I need a one dance. Got a Hennessy in my hand. One more time before I go. Higher powers taking hold on me.
These dogs are tearing up that shoe, boy. Ooh, she hot. Damn. Okay. You notice my teeth, my hair, my lashes, everything's real here, baby. I got everything's real. I'm even getting a belly. I'm getting a belly.
Drink, give me a sip. Tell me what you can, give me the thing. Please let me, told me. Wait, I can take it, give a fuck about what your wife is saying. Wanna know what it's like? Baby, show me what it's like. I don't really got no tights. I just wanna fuck all night, yeah. Baby, I need to know. I just been fantasize, and we got a lot of time.
Yeah, I love your face, girl. I'm just keeping it real. You know, all the way, babe. All the way. Damn, you smell like the fucking government.
You just gotta be worthy. I would give you the world, baby girl. You just gotta be worthy. But you don't gotta be perfect. You just gotta be worthy. No. Everybody doubted me, but girl, you stuck around. And you told me if I hold you, you gon' hold me down. You don't gotta be perfect. You just gotta be worthy.
niggas love me.
But I've been doing shows. I swear I ain't do you wrong. Fly around through the city, yeah. Girl, you know you coming with me, yeah. I've been 100 out of 50, girl. Ain't nobody messing with me, yeah. I don't want anything they understand. Baby girl, I know you understand. I'm just trying to go be my fam. Hey, I'ma give you the world, baby girl. You just gotta be worth it. You just gotta be worth it.
And not smell like the government.
You gotta be worth it. You just gotta be worth it. Yeah, 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 yeah.
Look, I'm getting a belly, you guys.
World, baby girl. You just gotta be worth
I used to be I couldn't get past 117. Couldn't. The whole year I was in motorsport. Shit, I couldn't fucking do it. Well, I am 141 now. Stress will fuck you up, bro. The inside, like, oh, I lost my sister, my parents. Oh, man, I lost a lot of weight. So it feels good to put that weight back on. It's unhealthy weight because it's from coffee, you know, and stuff like that. But still, I gained weight, y'all. So that makes me feel good. Not that I skinny, big, whatever. It don't matter. I'm comfortable having some meat on me. That's all.
You don't gotta be perfect. You just gotta be worth it. Yeah, 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 yeah. I will give you the world, baby girl.
I love my baby.
Worth it.
She's still sleeping, but
You don't gotta be
you
perfect.
could be loud. That girl ain't waking up. She sleep hard and heavy.
Be worth it. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Gonna.
This coffee is everything. I'm trying to work my back out some a little bit, maybe.
Or walk the plank.
Let me write your name down. Hold up. I got you, girl. I got you, girl.
Ever.
I got you. You may have been. I don't know if it
just like your
was by
dog
accident
deserves.
or what.
When only the best will do, feed Blue.
Another shot, she'll love me again.
Run that back, turbo.
Make it a double.
Whiskey, whiskey, won't you go away? Come again some other day. Cause a memory came out to play. And I'm tired.
Let me make sure I got that right.
Tired of it. I don't wanna walk the bed she plays. She
Stop it, sissy.
me and all my whiskey friends. And I'm tired of it. Tired of it.
Dark brown skin, call eye contact while
Well, she's gone. We won't talk about her, but she is gone.
she like, tell me how you want it. On the rocks again. What else? Let's all around the rim. Okay, feel to the top again. Let go. Fell back now, back in it.
You're welcome, baby. You're welcome. As soon as I get off here, I got you guys. I'll go back. I'll go. Actually, let me do this real quick, and I'll go live over there. I'll add you before I go live. One bless. One bless. Oh, Mimi.
I say what's up, she say howdy, howdy. Call you my little cowgirl, how you ride it like a stallion. Don't know why.
I thought I saw your name before. You, Karina, I don't know why you were blocked. All right, you want me to do that? Add you guys on that other account and then go live on that one? They really see me over there. They really see me over there. They really see me over there. They see me all over though, but they really see me over there. Oh, it's TikTok's most wanted. TikTok's most wanted. TikTok's most wanted. TikTok. Okay, someone know my pin or my pin. Okay, hold on. Let me get this. Sincerely, what the fuck? Did she just block everybody? I mean, all right, we got 3. All right, I'm gonna pin it right now. Right now. Yo, I'm gonna let you know right now though, Jay, I do follow Queen Ashley. Just shush it. Just shush it. So when I go online, you know how poppin' they got me on TikTok right now, right? And it's not even my fucking fault. It's them just being them. Oh shit, bro. Hold on. Oh my goodness. Here we go. Alright, I got you guys. Hold on. Now I got a fucking list going on here. Yeah, just I don't support. I don't support. I see a little bit of them getting on her, but not a whole lot. Not a whole lot that you would think, but it's whatever. People are clout chasing off of me. I don't like that. Not that I care, but they really are. And it's bad. Like, what the fuck? You guys, what's going on? Meet people, just meet them. Like, what the fuck? Oh my goodness. Oh wow. THEATRICA. Oh, excuse me. Oh. Hold on, I'm gonna pin it. My thing real quick. Hold on. KAYLI Jennings. Oh, I know a Jennings, but she's in New York. YouTube. Oh, okay, another one. Or were you talking about something else? Freddie Burr? Were you talking about something else, or? I don't know if that person, I don't know what's happening here. Oh my goodness. I am. I'm going to keep dancing. I'm going to keep being humorous. I will not sit here and, I will not entertain that kind of behavior. We all got to pass. If you want to pull up 2022, 2020, 21, 2020, we are in 2025, baby. Anyway. Oh, you are? Okay. That's what I was asking, hon. I'm sorry. Fred D. Is Michelle in here? Is my Michelle in here? Wait, what? Freddie. Oh, B-E-R-B. You want? Oh my goodness, Jet. You really do? You did? Oh my God. R2. Boy, we're gonna have over. They're saying Steph when Steph was around, but it's all right. She's gone. She's out of the way. All right. Now, we about to get like over 1,000 people in that chat. It's about to be drama. I'm backing away from the camera. No, I'm just kidding. Queen Ashley gonna be up in there. It's gonna be a mess. But watch, we'll probably get some views up in that bitch. Not that. Oh boy, look how they soak on fucking drama, or just people gripping or patting. Oh, my name. Okay, well, hold up. Comments. All right. Tick, and it's spelled just like this. TikTok. Most wanted. Oh, wanted. I'm pinning it right now, baby. If it'll let me pin it. There it is, right there. Oh yeah, TikTok most wanted, spelled just like. Stop it, Leia. Why you gotta bite on her? You're welcome. Okay, let me know when you guys are ready and I will get you guys taken care of. And then I'll go live. Oh my goodness. She comes in my lives a lot. She definitely, yeah. But again, a lot of people, man, oh my goodness. Fucking either clout chasing. Does it matter that I changed my name? No. What's your name? What do you mean? Is it not that? Is it not Freddie Burr? I changed my name. It's TikTok Most Wanted. There's a girl on this app. It's Ratchet B. I think she's so funny. So I don't know her story. Don't know much about her. But hilarious. You need a lap. That's the way to go. That's where I got, you smell like the fucking government. That's where I got that from. I just fucking love her. She's got humor. I love humor. It's a beautiful thing. All right. Are you guys ready for me to get on to Lord? Did you guys get all that? TikTok most wanted. We're gonna go on it. Well, after I get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 people unblocked and taken care of and added. I gotta add them, right? I think I gotta add you or something. I don't know. I'll add you. It's alright. Fuck it. Just so you know I'm live. And, oh. You're welcome. Alright, so, I'm going over there now, you guys. You know they're getting ready. They're getting ready! Hey! I'm just kidding. Alright, okay, I'll be back. On the other one.